the BOJ has a newly appointed governor. His name is Richard Biles. Local private sector leaders are endorsing the recent appointment of well-known business leader Richard Biles as the next BOJ governor. On Thursday, Biles was named to replace Brian Winter as the central bank head effective the 19th of August. So, you know, if you don't know, he's from Sagicor. And of course, everybody is sad to see him leave Sagicor, but everybody says that he did so awesome at Sagicor that they're looking forward to see what he's going to do with the BOJ. Look, the man has 40 years of experience. Let's us hope and pray that those 40 years can be launched into the BOJ, and so money can just, you know, strung up on things, so we can just move forward. Congratulations, and I hope you enjoy your new job. And what's next? I know the next one you're killing yourself to get to, so hurry up and go on to it. Hashtag we cook Corey.
I mean, I'm a Miami Heat fan, but I love the game of basketball. So watching the Raptors dethrone the Warriors are the best thing. Ali Patch is here this morning, and we had a big conversation.
Ali and Masha. Oh my gosh, look at everybody in here, they're like, negative.
The Toronto Raptors became the 2019 NBA champions on Thursday, and they're the first team outside the United States to do it. I mean, there are only 2 countries that participate in NBA.
Outside of, yeah.
But the first team, their first ever title, Game 6 of the NBA Final, was tight back and forth between the Raptors and Golden State Warriors, but Kawhi Leonard just pushed them to 114 to 110 for a 4-2 series victory. They should have won the last game. Them should have won the last game. Ali, them should have won the last game.
Ali,
they should have won. They should have won the last game.
Nerp.
It no matter. They should have won the last game.
And KD is not there. It's unfair. I mean,
oh come on! I'm tired of hearing that KD is not there. This man is hurt. That man is hurt.
It's a team.
Yeah, man. Raptors win the team, man. Curry alone can't bring it.
I know. Poor Curry. Poor Curry. That last 3 points I know. When it licked the rim, it's like him life just go. Him deflate, you know.
Him know how LeBron James feel all these years. Yeah, man. LeBron go through it.
The pressure. Yeah. Anyway, that is a hashtag that I've been seeing going around. Hashtag we cook Curry. Sherry Elise, that's your fault.
We the North. We the North. Yeah, congratulations to them though.
I love Curry.
Yeah, I hope Miami can come back next year. That's what I really care about.
All right, well, let's see how it goes next year. But so far and for right now, let us give them their congratulations. They are due.
Like Liverpool.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm moving on. So, next up, this video. Oh, my goodness. Kids say the darndest things, even before they really start talking. Just take a look at this video. There's a toddler chatting it up with his daddy while the pair watch TV together. Look.
You need to work on that, right? Yes, okay. Did you understand it, though? No. Okay. All right. Huh? Oh, not this one. This is the grand finale of it. Yeah, that's the last one. That's what I was wondering. I don't know what they're going to do next season because they did some stuff this time. Exactly what I was thinking. Oh, yeah. Right, don't bring that in. You know what I'm saying? Don't do the same stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I was thinking that. Yeah. Yeah. Like, go somewhere else with that, but don't break here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what I said. And then it was like, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, what in the world? But don't do it here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Really? I thought the same thing. We think a lot alike, huh? Oh, that's crazy. Right.
Look, now this brother have a full-on conversation, you know. Full conversation. Like, what are we doing? Like, I'm like, okay.
The funny part is like, Mama, is that right?
Mama, is that right? You hear words.
Yeah, man.
By the way, Dwayne has been in here giving words, right? He's giving words. He's hearing this child and understanding, which means he has not grown too far from that age yet. That's all that means. So this video had around 56 million views by the 10th of June. 56 million.
That's crazy.
Wow, that's awesome.
When women get baby fever, men can get baby fever too.
Of course you can. Our womb hurts. I don't know what hurt for you. But
that's it for trending topics. That's it for trending topics. More on Weekend Smile after the break.